Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to fix Instagram quiz sticker not showing. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. You're going to open the Instagram app, and if you notice when you press on the plus icon at the bottom and then select story, and here say you have an image, when we look here we cannot find it under stickers even though we might be searching for it. In order to fix this, you can go out of here, and then we're going to go over to our profile. Here on our profile, at the top right corner, you can see the plus icon right there. Select Reel, and then after selecting a picture we're going to be using, you're going to tap on Next, then tap on the sticker icon, and right here you can see the quiz icon. Tap on it, and here you have your quiz sticker showing. You could put in the details and go ahead with your post. So now we're going to go back and try to create a story and make sure we can see the quiz sticker right there. So we're going to cancel this. Here at home, you can tap on the plus icon, and at the bottom, select story. And then you're going to tap on the bottom left corner to select the picture or media. So after selecting the media, you can tap on the sticker at the top, and then tap on the search bar. And right here, you can see quiz. When you tap on quiz, you will have the option. So as you can see, we've just added the quiz. Did you enjoy our last video? And we have 3 options right there. If you want to proceed, go ahead and tap on done, and then continue to post your story. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.